These are the SKY-309s in the pleaser range in a beautiful red. Now we will leave the link in the description if you would like to go ahead and purchase these, but I'll be doing a review for you guys today, so keep watching. Hey guys, it's Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood. Today I'm going to be doing some reviews for you, and they are our beautiful pleasers. We love them here, as you can tell. And today I've got some polish to match the pleaser block, the pleaser box, and maybe even the shoes. So I'll have to wait and see what colour they are. Now these are the SKY-309. See the little code here? And I'm excited because we do a lot of adores. I do a fair amount of skies as well, so we'll see what these ones are. Ooh. Pleaser do have their little drawstring bag, just here, like usual. They fold up just like that. And, ooh, how cute are these? Little cloth bag there. And these are some red skies. You've got a beautiful soft sole here. Just a bit of packaging. And a nice top. It's nice and glossy. I'm excited to wear these. They feel comfortable already and I haven't even got them on yet. They are stunning. Oh, my favourite grippy bottom. Hopefully no falling over for Kate today. And I'll just get the other one for you as well. And here we are. More grippy bottom. Nice little ankle strap here. And I'll just undo them. So they're nice and fresh, but they just undo with the buckle just there. And then pull out like this. And they will match my beautiful toenail polish. They're already red as well. And there we go. I'll pop that one on. It'll do it with the strap. And then, that's a one. Very cute. The other one, I'll just undo the strap as well. Oh, I was wondering why it wasn't going anywhere because the buckle's in the way. And then I'll pop this one on. Just like this. Do it up. Oh, I'm so tall. They are so comfortable. I feel like I'm on the clouds, up in the sky. So comfy. I thought I would show you guys as well, come close, the difference between the Adore and the Sky, because they are a very, very similar shoe. I do have them just over here. So, the Sky, like what I'm wearing, is quite flat. You see the flat edge just there? Goes up very flat, a bit rounded at the back. A little bit like you see on the heel itself, the flat edge here and then around. Whereas an Adore is rounded the whole way around. So you see it's a rounded bottom. It goes around here. There's no flat edge, it's all rounded. And right side by side, you see the difference? It's more of a spike, the Adore. Fit-wise, they're very, very similar. They're not too much different, so a lot of people do get them quite confused. So I will pop these ones back. Oh. Perfect. And yeah, that's the difference between the Adore and the Sky. So I'll give you guys a little side view of the shoes before I take you outside. But they are stunning. Nice and red, nice and soft here. I can already see how soft that is without even having to put my foot down on it. Very cute. Nice and glossy. And yeah, it's a beautiful day outside, so I'll take you guys for a little walk. I can already see how sunny it's going to be, so if I'm squinting, I'm sorry. Oh, it's so nice and warm, but I tell you, I am so excited for winter. Can't wait to be up in a little... The train's going to come and pick me up. I'm going to go on a holiday. It's already quite warm. It's quite early in the morning. Beautiful red. Pretty comfy. My blue almost matches the sky. Oh, the aircon is so much nicer than outside, but it is beautiful to have the sun. And don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell in the corner and you can see, you'll get all of the notifications, and check out our community tab as well. You can leave some questions, check it out, okay? And what did you think about the skies? Did you like them? Leave me a comment. I like reading through them. And they undo very easy as well. Just like this. And then also like this. And there we are, guys. They are the beautiful skies. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.